Are you looking for the best soldering stations? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best soldering stations on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. YIHUA8786 2-in-1 Hot Air Rework and Soldering Iron Station. The YIHUA8786 2-in-1 Hot Air Rework and Soldering Iron Station is a versatile tool that combines a soldering station and hot air rework station. It features an intelligent temperature control system with a high-end precision PID program, anti-static design, and exclusive fail-safe protection. This product includes quality accessories and tools to provide an optimal experience for your work, and comes with a 12-month USA warranty. What we like: good temperature control, compact and space-saving, quick heat-up time, variety of tips included, reliable for small jobs. What we don't like: temperature accuracy could improve, minor issues with heat gun placement. Number 2. YHUA926360W LED Display Soldering Iron Station Kit. The YHUA926360W LED Display Soldering Iron Station Kit is a user-centric design that provides fast heating up and adjustable accurate temperature. Its optimal space-saving solution is perfect for those who require more worktop space. It also has clear degree C/degree F digital display, sleep mode, temperature calibration, and PID heat control technology. This kit includes 15 essential accessories such as helping hands, solder tips, solder wire bracket, tweezer, and more. It comes with a 12-month USA warranty, exclusive, and professional assistance 24/7 right on Amazon. What we like: easy to use, quick heat-up time, includes useful accessories, good temperature control, sturdy helping hands. What we don't like: tip quality could improve, some parts may wobble. Number 3. YIHUA862BD Plus Soldering Iron Hot Air Rework Station. The YIHUA862BD Plus 2-in-1 Soldering and Hot Air Rework Station comes with a range of accessories, including 5 soldering tips for hot air nozzles, desoldering pump, tweezers, and tip cleaner. The PID temperature control technology ensures rapid correction of temperature, and the 75W soldering performance is adjustable from 392,896 degrees Fahrenheit with a 0-99 minutes adjustable sleep mode. The station features 3 digital displays to show your current set parameters. It is ETL certified and comes with a 12-month USA warranty. What we like: fast heating, accurate temperature control, comfortable grip, good value for money, compact design. What we don't like: some accessories are subpar, initial unit malfunction. Number 4. WEP927-4 Soldering Station Kit. The WEP927-4 Soldering Station Kit is a high-power 110W soldering station with 3 preset channels, sleep mode, LED magnifier, 5 extra iron tips, tip cleaner, 2 helping hands, tip storage slots, lead-free solder wire, and tweezers. It has a precise double numerical display to monitor real-time temperature changes, and its compact design makes it great for those with smaller working spaces. It also comes with a full-fledged set of accessories, and is covered by a 1-year product warranty. What we like: affordable price, heats up quickly, compact and portable, variety of tips included, easy assembly and use. What we don't like: handle gets hot during prolonged use, short power cord. Number 5. WEP882D Soldering Iron Station. The WEP Soldering Iron Station is a versatile 2-in-1 rework station that combines a soldering station with a hot air rework station and a compact body. It features individual LED displays, power switches, temperature control buttons, and air volume adjustment for easy operation. With precision temperature control and a built-in PID program, you can adjust the soldering station temperature from 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit and the hot air rework station temperature from 212 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. This rework station also offers useful functions such as sleep mode for the soldering iron, standby mode for the hot air gun, and automatic shutdown. The complete soldering kit includes 2 spools of solder wire, 5 soldering tips, a brass wool tip cleaner, a desoldering pump, tweezers, and 3 hot air nozzles. With its compact design and useful features, the WEP soldering iron station is perfect for all your soldering needs. What we like: quick heat up time, compact and portable design, effective hot air rework feature, good temperature regulation, easy to use. What we don't like: lightweight, may move around. Hot air tool may not turn off.